Sora, an open-source large language model from OpenAI. You will find it at openai.com/Sora. Have ability for creating video from text. Let's see the first generation with Sora.
Sora is great, but how does it compare to Pika, Pixverse, Runway ML, Genmo? With same prompt, let's find out.
Sora's generation is unbelievable and excellent with high definition and in-depth oriented, which is better than all other existing AI video generator. Today we will compare Sora's video generation with traditional AI video generator such as Runway ML, Pika Labs, genmo.ai, and Pixverse AI. Sora is able to generate complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate details of the subject and background. The model understands not only what the user has asked for in the prompt, but also how those things exist in the physical world. Sora has a deep understanding of language, enabling it to accurately interpret prompts and generate compelling characters that express vibrant emotions. Sora can also create multiple shots within a single generated video that accurately persist characters and visual style. So now we are going to use Sora AI's prompt to other existing AI video generator. Let's copying the prompt of this video and visiting straight to 100% free AI video generator named Genmo. You will find all the links in description. Clicking on Login button at left bottom at menu and click Continue with Google button will redirect to prompt panel. Genmo is free way to make videos from text or images, powered by AI. Can magically make videos with AI. Now pasting the copied prompt from Sora and clicking to Submit button. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to generate video from any prompt. So now we are going to our next AI video generator that is also free. And wait for Genmo's result. Pixverse can transform your ideas into stunning videos. Pixverse AI can create breathtaking videos with AI. Click on Get Started in Web button will redirect you to sign up page. It's taking time, so going to our next AI video generator named Pika Labs. Pika.art. And clicking on Try Pika button to get the sign up page. Clicking on Sign in with Google button. Select your Google account and then click to Continue button will redirect you to dashboard. Here is Pika's dashboard. We are now going forward to our next AI video generator named Runway ML, which is most advancing creativity with artificial intelligence. Runway ML is most popular AI video generator. Clicking on Sign Up button. Click to sign up with Google button. Select your account and then press Continue button will redirect its dashboard. Here we going back to Genmo where we used our first prompt. Yes, the generation is completed. With the same prompt here the result of Genmo, background is good in depth, but the face, not actually satisfactory. But overall generation is not bad at all. What is your opinion? Comment on below comment box. Now signing up to Pixverse AI by clicking to Login with Google button. Selecting Google account and then Continue button. Pixverse is another free AI video generator like genmo.ai, whereas Pika AI and Runway ML is not 100% free. They provide only few credits for video generation. So Pixverse is another great tool for AI video generator as it is free to use. Now clicking on Create button. Here is prompt box at left menu. Pasting the copied prompt to this prompt box and keep the style realistic and ratio 16:9. And then click on Create button for start the generation process. And then coming back to Pika and pasting that copied prompt to this prompt box and click the Start button. In Runway ML's dashboard, clicking to Start with Text button. Pasting the same prompt what we copied from Sora AI. Runway ML have a limitation of characters, you cannot use more than 300 characters at once, so deleted some words and clicked on Generate Force button. Here we come back to Pixverse for check the generation, not bad, right? Let's see Pika's result. What do you think? Comment me below. But the result from Sora is outstanding. Now copying the next video prompt from Sora, and we will again visit to Genmo for understand Genmo's capacity. We'll paste the copied prompt to command box and click Submit button. Let's try into Pixverse. Clicked Create button as like before. Now trying to Pika, pasting the same prompt. Here is the Runway ML's result. Let's see it in full screen. I think it's great. Better than Genmo, Pixverse, and Pika AI. Here we trying to extend the video for 4-second command button and then clicking to extend 4S button so that we can see what result coming on long video duration. Here it's start generating process. Let's see Pixverse, what generation came with our second prompt of Sora's video. Oh, Taihi's generation is nice, as it is only 4-second video, so it is not quite good too. Now go back to Pika for second prompt. Result is ready, let's see it in full screen. Wow. This is great result if we comparing it with Sora. Here trying to extend 4-second more. Oh, it need to be upgraded, and that's why I don't like Pika, as because it has limitations. In Openai Sora's world, this AI should provide more free feature and benefits in free version. Coming back to Runway ML for checking the extended version. Here is the result. This is really satisfactory when comparing Runway ML with other existing AI video generator, because it's closest to Sora AI. What do you think? Now coming back to Sora for copying this prompt for Runway ML and pasting that prompt to the prompt box. In the meantime, if you find our video helpful, please like us and subscribe to our channel. Here is Sora's generation. And here is Genmo's generation is ready. Genmo's results are satisfactory. I personally like genmo.ai. What AI video generator you like most, please comment. This video prompt is a movie trailer featuring the adventures of the 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet, blue sky, salt desert, cinematic style, shot on 35mm film, vivid colors. Here copying the prompt and pasting the prompt in Genmo and clicked submit again. You can use Genmo to make unlimited video generation. Now coming back with same prompt for Pixverse and the copied prompt to the command box again and clicked on create button for start generating. The second prompt generation is completed here in Runway ML. Let's see in full screen. This is also great one in Runway milliliter. I think Runway ML will second best after launching of OpenAI's video generator Sora. Now pasting Tahat third prompt and doing the same process. How great generation is in Sora. I wondered. Let's copy this video prompt. Still generation in Genmo of our last command, now pasting recent copied prompt again. Here, back to Pixverse for see third prompt result in full screen. I think it's also great, but as it is the 4-second video not much satisfactory, Pixverse should introduce at least 30 seconds video generation facility. Am I right? Pasting the copied prompt to Runway ML again. Third video prompt result is ready on Genmo. This result is also great. This is why I previously told that I loved Genmo most. Now here in Pixverse for last copied prompt for see the result. Runway ML's last generation result is ready, let's see. Excellent and outstanding. But really impossible to compare with Sora. Pigeon's prompt is ready in Pixverse. It's also not bad, so what is conclusion? I want to see more result to final comparison. Stay connected, you will wonder after the end of this video. Here Genmo's result. Wow, crystal clear extreme in-depth result. See the feathers. Here is Runway ML's result. Here the Pika's result is not good enough. Here we take this video prompt as final one testing. I will create another video for testing more Sora's prompt in near future if I get 100 likes in today's video. Pasted prompt to Genmo. On Pixverse. On Runway ML. Till now, I found Runway ML is best, but they have credit limitation in free version. Here, Genmo's result. It was Sora. Here Pixverse result. Closes to Sora. And here is Runway ML's result. What you liked most when comparing with Sora? Comment below. Though Sora's current model has weaknesses, it may struggle with accurately simulating the physics of a complex scene, and may not understand specific instances of cause and effect. But in near future, Sora will lead upon all other AI video generator. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us.